Hello, I'm picking wild blackberries here in our backyard.
I don't want to.
There's a lot of blackberries here.
Daddy,
Look.
can I eat it
Yeah, you can eat it, ate.
without even washing?
Look at this. There are so many ripe blackberries.
Yummy. There's so many blackberries. This one is yummy.
Ate, Ellie. Oh, this is their favorite. Look at this, guys. There are so many black. It's ripe blackberries.